All you need in one place. Domain names. Start building your brand with a customized domain. Hosting services. Flexible, affordable, and reliable hosting for $5.69 per mo. Website Builder. Get started building your website. Your first month is just $2.95. SSL certificate. Secure your website. Choose the cloud hosting package that works for you. Premium. 1. Unlimited disk space. Check. 2. 10 websites. Check. 3. Unlimited email boxes. Check. 4. Domain name included. Check. 5. Site lock premium. Malware scanning, auto malware removal. Check. Premium Plus. 1. Unlimited disk space. Check. 2. 10 websites. More ways to enhance your website. Code Guard. Automatically back up your website files to keep your important information safe. Site Lock. Enjoy total malware protection from the global leader in website security solutions. Why choose web hosting in the cloud? Reliable uptime. Guaranteed. Cloud hosting ensures your website stays online all the time by storing your files across multiple servers. Daily malware scans and removal. If there's malware on your website, we'll find it and immediately remove it to protect you and your visitors. Developers, these tools are for you. Create your own website with these open-source applications and tools that are compatible with a full range of programming languages. More ways to enhance your website. Code Guard. Automatically back up your website files to keep your important information safe. Site Lock. Enjoy total malware protection from the global leader in website security solutions. SSL certificate. Secure your social media site by encrypting data from transactions, transfers and logins. MyTime support. Get the most out of your hosting package with setup and support from the experts. Want to host on WordPress? Check out our hosting packages. FAQs. The reliability of WordPress delivered at blazing speeds. Enjoy the rock-solid performance of WordPress along with some of the fastest page load times available. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, our affordable packages are built to grow with your business. WordPress for professionals. The pricing for the WordPress packages reflects monthly billing amounts. This service is on auto-renew. Customers on a monthly billing cycle are billed every 4 weeks. A WordPress package with an annual term includes a free domain. Pricing details. Why WordPress? No experience necessary. Access to thousands of free themes and plugins that make it easy to build a professional website or blog that's mobile and SEO friendly. Fast loading. Our hosting provides load times that are 2x faster than our competitors. Customers like fast load times, and expect websites to load quickly when they visit. Frequently asked questions. Q. How does WordPress work? Once you log into your WordPress design tool, you can select your theme. The theme will create the overall look and feel of your website. From there, you simply add content using content building blocks, which make it easy to add images, text, interactive elements, and more. Q. Why use WordPress? Quite simply, it's the easiest and fastest way to get a great website out on the internet. You can design your homepage in a matter of minutes, and with access to a vast library of plugins, it's easy to create highly interactive websites. Q. Why choose Network Solutions as a provider? Network Solutions has been in the industry longer than anybody, so we have the experience to assist with all of your needs. With our award-winning support team, you'll have help available to answer any questions. Q. How do Network Solutions WordPress solutions differ from others? We understand that WordPress is an extremely popular design tool. With that popularity comes certain risks, with hackers and malware being potential issues. We have put together several solutions that will meet your needs for WordPress while offering varying degrees of protection.